Hello, I'm Cecil Christenberry. Welcome to the Old Time Minute. We've talked before about brown patches in your lawn. Now, most likely it is a fungal problem, but indeed, particularly in the summertime, it could be grubs, mole crickets, or some other critter under there eating on the grass roots of your lawn. There's a simple test. If you'll take a pitcher of water and a few squirts of lemon liquid dishwashing soap, make that mild solution, pour it into the edge of that brown patch. If there's sufficient mole crickets there to be causing that kind of damage, they'll come barreling out at your feet. You'll see them in just in a minute. High yield grub free zone will take care of anything underground like mole crickets and grubs. Also will take care of fleas and ticks. It's a granular that you apply and water in. If you'd rather spray, we have acephate that you mix with water and spray late in the day. That's this Old Time Minute. I'm Cecil Christenberry. Remember to like and subscribe.